air experience, the sun in your face, the sound of the motor and the vibration, the unobscured view of everything that's going on around you. It's a bombardment of the senses.
I just love it. I just enjoy being on a bike.
The cliche of feeling the wind in your hair, even though I don't have much hair anymore, is very true. It's a wonderful feeling.
It's a built-in passion to ride a motorcycle, no matter what it is.
It's unlike anything else that you'll ever feel.
There's nothing in my life that's like it.
It's part of who I am and what I want to be.
Being a motorcycle guy cuts across every job description, and you identify yourself with being a motorcyclist, first and foremost. Before you're a doctor, before you're an actor, before you're a newspaper tycoon, you're a motorcycle guy. And that really levels the playing field with a lot of people.
So you're talking to a guy about bikes, and then you find out that this guy's a neurosurgeon. And you're like, oh, I thought he was just some guy who rode a Honda.
If you ever get on that bike, president of a bank, a leader of a country, you're in.
You could get out of work totally angry, take a little ride, and boy, you don't get 2 miles down the road and all of a sudden you let go of all that stress, all that anxiety, and now you're free.
In my view, people travel in bubbles a lot. The motorcycle gets you out of the bubble.